I think so now I am audible, right? So we are going to start your session, right? So as you already know, this is your second day of your workshop, right? So directly going into the screen where we are going to see that what all the type of agenda we are having today. What type of agenda, right? Yesterday we talked about number of this thing, right? So today we will learn about number of the thing that what actually your ethical hacking is, right? And after ethical hacking, we already told to you that there are number of the practicals in ethical hacking to do, right? So we will also perform today, right? So yes, if you are ready, please type ready in the comment so that I can know you are ready and we will move forward. Yes. Fine. So next, what we are having, as you can see over here, we are having hacker communities. We will talk about hacker communities and hacking case studies. After knowing about the hacker communities and hacking case studies, we will talk about live information gathering. How can you do live information gathering? After information gathering, we will talk about the secrets in ethical hacking. There are a number of the secrets. As you already know, there are number of the anonymity in your ethical hacking, or you can say your hacking world. How we can see all this thing and how you can know number of the things about your secrets, right? Last, we will talk about the live cyberspace exploitation tools and techniques. And yes, please remember, in the last, we will be having a Q&A session. That will be your question and answer. You can directly put a question and I will be giving you the answer, that like what it is, right? So now, if we are going to start with the hacker communities and hacking case studies, first of all, we need to understand from where, as you can see in my behind, right? So there is a full of your world, right? So what is your internet and how actually it goes, right? So as you can see over here, first of all, we will be starting with your internet, right? So what is internet? As you can see, a globe over here, right? A globe is here. Now, if I want to ask you a question, how many of you know about internet? So my first question is, who invented internet? Right? So you will be like, internet invention, right? So you can also check online that who invented your internet. After that, I will give you the answer. Next is that what actual internet is. Right now, I have connected like this, denoted internet like this. This is the internet platform in your whole world. This is an internet. Now, we have number of the devices, as you can see over here. Device 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? 4 devices, and there are number of devices in the world. Your systems, there are mobile phones, and there are number of the other electronic devices which are connected with the internet. If they are connected with the internet, all of these devices like this, as you can see, these arrows, right? If they are connected with them, then what actually happens? I think you have found that who invented internet. As you can see over here, Bob and Windsurf, right? So they were the, they invented internet to just communicate from a sender end to the receiver end. How? Yes, we have the another thing, another scenario, as you can see here. Like suppose I am having a sender over here. And if I am having a sender, I need to have a receiver. Now sender is there and receiver is also there. Now I need to have a communication between them. What will be the communication? That is the internet, as you can see over here. Internet will, let us suppose I will give you a scenario, right? So I'm having a website that is abc.com. Now abc.com will be there in internet. Who will be posting? Let us suppose sender is the person or the organization who posted a website into internet. Now receiver will be the all users like we, me, you, all will be the user, and user will be serving to the internet, and they are getting all the information and they are there. So internet is handling all of this thing, right? So like this, as you can see over here, if I am having a message over there, again it is coming back. Yes, so this type of a message it is coming, and receiver will receive a message and he will access all the inputs sent by any of the organization or a company or anything else, right? Next we will talk about the internet. Now I will talk about the message. This message is the exact same message what I sent earlier. Same message. Now internet is there, message is there. How internet will send this message to all of the users, right? So it is very interesting, right? So how actually it is, what is the working behind this thing? Let us suppose now this message converted into the 4 parts. Now these all 4 are the data packets of that thing, right? So let us suppose my message is I am Gaurav Sharma. So my data packet will be storing I am Gaurav and Sharma. All of these things are enclosed into these data packets. Now these data packets will be sending towards your router. Right now what actually everybody is doing, they will be having a internet and they will be connecting to the internet, and that will be your router. Yes, so every data is coming from there to there, and now the, you can say, receiver will be there and receiver will be accessing. After router you can directly connect it with your wire, with your Wi-Fi and anything else, from where you can say the Bluetooth and all, you can access the internet, right? This is the actually way how your internet works. Next we will talk about how. You know what, I will be giving you a very good situation. Please understand, before describing internet protocol, please understand, when you are in your world and you can say in your city, you went outside and you will be having crossings, you will be having a road, yes or no? So if you are having a road, there are lots of traffic rules you need to follow, right? So if we don't follow a traffic rule, what will happen? There will be lots of, you can say, crashes. Nobody knows where we are going, here we are going, right? So this will happen. So we need to have some rule and regulations. And same we are having the cars who will run on the roads. Cars, buses, trucks and all, they will run on the, yes, on the roads. Now if they are running on the roads, they have their unique identity, yes or no? We will be having a unique identity number for a car, for a bus, for a truck. Same way it is, will be here. Internet protocol is just about the rules in the internet. Now we made all the inputs, or you can say the road traffic rules to the society. Now this is also for the society, right? Internet protocol will be there. Now what we are going to do with this? Internet protocol will be having a unique address, like your home. You will be having a different address, right? So unique address, how actually it works? You will be having different system, right? All system unique address will be there, and you will be getting a IP address. Right now we are following IPv6. If you know, yes or no, please type yes or no if you know about IPv4 and IPv6. Yes, many of you are saying yes, right? So if you know about IP address, so what actually your IP address is? Internet protocol address, right? So each system will be having a different IP address to be known. They will be known for a different IP address, so that when you are in the hacking world and all, every time number of the people, if they are working for the government, they say that we just need to track the IP address. If we are tracking these IP addresses, then we are getting all the hackers. right? So this IP address is very important. Now, the same thing happening in the internet. Everyone is having an internet protocol and they are following internet, some type of a rules, right? So that's why they are accessing different thing. As you can see over here, the link between all of them. Next is like how. So router will be there. Let us suppose I am having a router and all these IP addresses are there. The same three system I took, right? Let us suppose we are having IP addresses like 192.168.1.7, 1.12, 1.8. These all are the IP addresses. Let us suppose internet sent some message through router, because router will be having, because it is the source where you are going to connect with the internet to the, yes, victims, or you can say that the users, right? So router will be having a message, as you can see over here. The same IP. Why this IP address is over here? Because this will be having a IP address or your address where this message is going to be sent, as you can see over here. This message needs to send from the router to the address where he wants to go. So that is how actually your messages works. If you send a message to your friend, to your relative, so they will be having an address where it actually going, right? Next, we will learn about the steganography. What is your steganography? Steganography, as you can see over here, steganography used in attacks on industrial enterprises, right? If I talk about more in this steganography, what actually steganography is, it is just a word. If I want to relate this word to your just a simple word, that is hiding objects inside number of the following. Like what? Like first of all, I will be having a PDF, then I will be having an audio, and then I will be having a images. I will be saving number of the secret files inside PDF, inside audio, and inside image, right? How we can do that? How many wants to do it practically? Please type practical in the comment. Yes, please type practical in the comment, so that I will be telling you right now, right here, how you can hide all the data, or you can say the message you want to hide behind these PDFs, audio, and images. Right. So we will be going into the screen where we'll be saying that, yes, this is the online platform, as you can see in my behind. Steganography online. If you are right now with your system, go, and you can also practical right now in, side by side when you are just attending the workshop. How it will be, like as you can see over here, encode the message, decode the message, encode the message. First of all, you need to encode. Let us suppose we will be selecting over here encode, and then there will be one of the file that we need to select. Let us suppose I am having a one file over here. Any file, you will be taking JPG, and you will be having number of the MP4 videos, audios, you can also edit, right? This is the hacker photo. I want to have some message into this. What will be the message? If you can zoom it over here so that we can see what type of a message we are going to type. Yeah, now it's zoomed. Now I will be typing over here. This is your second day of workshop. This is your second day of workshop. This is the security key. Now type key is equal to 1 2 3 4. Key is equal to 1 2 3 4. This is how actually we used to, we used to talk with your students. Like we want to send them the messages, so he will be getting all the encrypted keys. That is how actually hacking works. Right now, I want to encode it. So I will be going into the encode and I will be doing it. Yes, now the message will be there. So we will be scrolling up. Yes, scrolling up, you will be seeing original and this and this. Okay, so now this photo will be having the message what we are having. So we will be downloading it. So as you can see over here, we will download this photo and we will save it there. Yeah. Now we will go into the decode part. Yes, we are going to decode and we are going to insert that photo what we actually enrolled. Yeah, as you can see, this photo is there, right? So right now, I just want to click into the decode part. Decode. As you can see, the message is over here. This is so interesting. Yes, it is interesting or not? Please type in the comment. How many of you are going to send these messages like that? You are sending a photo to somebody and they are going to decode it. There will be the message hiding behind number of the photos. Right? So as we are here right now, we will again, we are going to do number of the practicals, right? You can, you can do it later. Just be there and learn all of this thing, what we will be having, right? Next, what we are having. I will be talking about hacker community. As you can see over here, the first name, that hacker one. What is actually it is? There are number of the hacker communities in all over the world. All over the world. There are number of the hacking communities, right? So if all the hacking communities are there, how many will be giving you a money making machine, right? There are lots of hackers. How they are going to get money? The money here is called as bug bounty, or you can say the bounty rewarded for any of your bugs. First is your hacker one. Hacker one is also one of the platform where number of the companies is going to come and they will be telling them that there will be the hacker community. If you are going to register in that, register will be there, and then after registering there, you are going to hack into those companies. Why? Because they have given you the permissions. So we will have a 1 minute of break. If you are just practicing on steganography, please do that. 1 minute break. Welcome back. Now, as we talked about the pointer, yes, now we will be 101, right? So hacker, what is your hacker 101 is? Hacker 101 is also one type of a, you can say, the community where you will be registering, and then the companies have given rights to these communities so that you can go and whatever the sites or whatever the organization will be there, they have, you can say, all the permissions given to these type of hackers, and they can hack. So I already told you yesterday's lecture, right? So you will be having the permission. Next, we will be having the bug crowd. Bug crowd is also one of the organization, right? So what type of organization? Same, the hacker community. You will be going there, and all of this thing you are going to do the same thing. Next, what we are going to have? We are going to have the hacking case studies, right? Hacking case study, as you can see over here, right? Cognizant, Microsoft, all of the big name companies like Tesla and number of the companies, they are already being hacked number of the times, not single, number of the times. How? There are number of attacks. Nobody, in the hacking world, there is a word or there is a quote that is, nobody is secure. Nobody is fully secure. How? Why there is nobody secure, right? So there will be the number of the hacks. Okay, let me tell you one thing, that you guys are very lucky to attend this type of workshops, because we are having a limited number of workshops, right? So it is like, if you are there, so first of all, thank yourself that you are here and you are learning with this augmented reality and the technology you are learning, that is ethical hacking, right? So I will be telling you this thing, that what type of attack is there and how hacker adapt into this type of multi-level companies, right? So like suppose I will be having a data about Cognizant, right? So Cognizant, what happened in the last 1 or 2 months ago, there was an attack, that is ransomware attack. Ransomware, right? So ransom is the type of the amount there someone is going to ask you from ransom, and the where coming from the software. It is a malware where you are going to ask for the money. It is like if you are having a system over here and I install that ransomware into your system, all your data will be encrypted. You cannot access even a single data or a single thing, right? So if you're not going to access all of this thing, then what will happen? There will be a one message. There will be a one message inside it. And what type of a message will be? That message will be, you need to pay this much of the bounty. You need to pay this much of money, 1 lakh, $1 lakh, 1 lakh bitcoins and all. So all this for the MNCs, not only the MNCs, number of persons are there who are who have their type of attacking, right? Next we will talk about the FireEye, right? Coming next, what type of attack in your FireEye? In your FireEye we have the malware attack. All of the data which are there in your online presented, the cloud platform, all the data got hacked. What they actually happened is, there was some type of a group hacked into their, you can say, the GitHub account or any other account, where they stored 500 GB plus 500 GB, and after that they hacked into that account. That's why in these type of cases, if we remove it from here, right? So if we are having these type of cases, so what will happen? In these type of cases, we need to have a cyber security team. Why I'm telling you this thing? Why I'm telling you all these type of attacks? Why I'm telling you all these type of hacker case studies? Because right now it is a very precious time. Why? Because our security is not only our security now, right? So everybody is insecure with all the devices what we are using. We need to understand that we need to have these kind of knowledge. If we are not having knowledge, you will also not be secure, and the country or where you are representing, that will not be secure. Next, what will be having? Secrets in ethical hacking. So first of all, I want your you guys, how many of you are interested to know about the secrets of ethical hacking? Yes, type secrets in the comment. Type secrets in the comment so that I can know. Yes, you are that much excited that right now I am very excited to tell you about the secrets of ethical hacking. Tell me. Yes, number of students are saying secret. So first secret is secret services. You went to, if you are that much excited, right? When I used to learn all this thing, like getting into the certification, getting the knowledge of ethical hacking, secret services and all, I used to think that how I can work for the nation, right? How I can find all these anonymous things, right? I started working into this, going into the YouTube, getting into the YouTube channel, started working into the certification and all. I don't find anything. I will be telling it to you, that how you can convert your hacking knowledge into secret services. First of all, let me tell you this thing, that secret services, like if you are from India, nobody will give you direct entry to these secret services. You need to first of all work for the nation. Before working for the nation, you need to be that much eligible in that area where you are going to work. So what will be the path? I will be telling you what will be the path. The path is like very simple. First of all, you need to just know about the computers and all of this thing. Then you need to know about how type of a networking and all. You need to learn this ethical hacking. You need to know how to hack into the phone and how actually previously hacking into the phone works. Your hacking into the system works. When you are having a certified ethical hacking, or you can say that you have done a course from ethical hacking, after doing this thing, you will be having a 1 or 2 years of experience. Getting the experience of this thing, then you will be giving exam for, your public services, right? So if you are going to give the exam, then you need to work for 3 years for them. Now you are the person knowledge with ethical hacking, you are into the public service, like you need to go for your police and all, cops and all. If you are working there for 2 or 3 years, then only you will be, your referral will be going into the secret services. Only then, if you are having a 4 to 5 years of experience into these kind of all this thing, right? So next is your dark web. First of all, I just want to know about this thing. What is this? How many of you know about this? Dark web and deep web. How many of you know about this? Yes, I want to see your comments. How many of you know? So if you know, please type yes. If you don't know, please type no. I will be telling you you can say that very interesting fact regarding this dark web and deep web. Yes. Yes or no? Some of them are saying yes, I know that. Some of saying are no, sir, we don't know. Tell us that what is your dark web? What is your deep web? Dark web is another web. Right now, you are accessing the World Wide Web, as you can see in my behind. This is the world, fully world. All the internet activities, like your internet, like your Yahoo, Gmail, your Zoom, everything is there on the surface web. After your surface web, there is the deep web. Then there is a dark web. And you will also not find this into your number of the YouTube videos and any of the videos. There is Mariana's web. There are all these type of webs. But what all these webs, what actually they do? There are number of the data starting from your 2000. Let us suppose I am giving you an example. From 2000 to 2020, how many cases are there? Or you can say the police cases. There are a number of the cases, yes or no? Next thing is, there are a number of hospitals, right? There are lots of data. They store their data in surface web? No. Government hospitals or your hospitals, they store their all data into deep web. After deep web, there is a dark web, which is very dangerous. Why? Because all type of illegal activities, selling, buying, weapons, number of this thing is happening over here. And how? You know what? There are number of the things. FBI is under this thing. FBI is also there in dark web to search number of people to find them. But there are lots of anonymous things are there. Nobody knows whom I am sending the money. Nobody knows from where I am getting the money. You will be having one of the gateway where you will be sending money, you will be getting money, all this will be there. Next, we will talk about the third secret, that is the forensic. Forensic is also, equivalent to your secret services. Why? Because forensic, like let us suppose right now you click your photo, my photo from your phone, or a screenshot. When you took a screenshot, there will be number of the things behind this screenshot, like which model of the camera you click this photo, what type of a things are there, which what is the materialistic inside this thing, or you can say that who is the third party provider for this type of a tool for your camera, like Canon or a Sony or whatever the phone you are using, like MI, Apple. So there will be number of the data. So what we are going to do is, it is like we will be having a photo and we will be getting all the details about these photos. So that is under your forensic. So these are the secrets, right? So there are the huge, you can say that the anonymity into these fields, like your forensics, there are a number of the things, the dark web, there are a number of the things, there are secret services, there are a number of this thing, right? So this thing we are going to talk about. Next, you will be saying that, sir, there will be the coding and tool makers, right? So first of all, I just want to know about this thing. How many of you know about GitHub, right? If you don't know, please right now go into the Google and find what actually your GitHub. Just search. I will be coming into 2 minutes. Welcome back. I think so. You have searched this thing, right? You have searched about GitHub over the internet. What actually will be there? There are number of the open source softwares, programs where you can also devote and contribute number of the, you can say, repositories, and you can make your own project. Yes, we are the company and the organization, we also believe in the practical and the project, right? So it is our, very much, it is very much clear that if you don't know about the practical knowledge, you will be not clear about the concept. So getting back to the GitHub, what actually the code and tools will be there, going into the Google, and we will be seeing that what type of GitHub and what type of output will be there. We are going to type GitHub and we will be entering over there. Yes, GitHub will be here and we will be entering into this. First of all, link, right? This will be there where the world build the software. You are going to build the software, and this is the home page for your GitHub. You will be searching any type of project. So let us suppose I will be searching over here, search over here. Yeah, we are going to search the password recovery, or you can say that password recovery. Password recovery. Many of students comes to me and then say that, sir, I want to recover my password. My password is stored inside my PC, but I don't find and I don't know how to recover my password, right? How many of you are having this question? So here is your answer, right? So you will be having number of the projects, like there are 24 projects, right? So if you know how to use these type of projects, you don't want to know. First of all, you just will be going into this link and there will be number of the option. Yes, we will be having this tool, you will be having a code over here, you will be downloading it and work under this project. There will be number of the password recovery projects. So if you are having, and if you know how to install, how to work under these type of thing, it how to recover your password. Next, in the session, what we are going to have as coding and the tool makers, all the hub is there in your GitHub. Next, we will talk about the dark web and the deep web. As we already know, there are the surface web, what I was actually talking about, surface web and the deep web and the dark web, and beyond this there is a Mariana's web. You will not get in number of the sites, but yes, it is there. And these can be accessed by the tool which is over here, that is the Tor browser. You will be able to access your deep web and the dark web with this Tor browser. We will be doing number of the things, we will be accessing. You just need to download the Tor browser and work under that thing. Next, I will be talking about the bug bounty versus salary. How many of you know about bug bounty? If you know, please type yes. If you don't know, please type no, because otherwise I will be telling you what actually it is. Yes, come fast. Okay, so let's start it. Bug bounty versus salary. As you can see over here, United States of America, there will be the Sweden, China, Argentina, Canada, Pakistan, Yemen, and India and all. So why there is this like 6.4x, right? So they are below India. As you can see over here, India is 17.6 multiple of the salary what you are going to get. Let us suppose you are having a 20,000 rupees of a salary in India, right? If you are going to do a bug bounty or ethical hacking, that will be around 17.6 multiple of your 20,000. Right? So how actually it is being calculated? This is not my data. This is proved by your Google and all of the big companies. How many of you want to see that? Yes or no? How many of you want to see that? Directly going into the screen and a Google screen, and we will be typing bug bounty program Google. Yes, Google, type here bug bounty program Google. Enter. If you can zoom, yes, program rules. We will be directly going into this program rules. Yeah. So this will be there. Yes, I talked about yesterday. I talked about the scope where you are going to attack. Like as you can see, Google is having the three, you can say the scope where they can hack. That will be scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yes. Scroll up. Yes, as you can see over here, google.com, youtube.com, and blogger.com. Three main websites are there. If you are hacking into these websites, there are number of the rewards. You want to see the rewards? Okay, fine. We will scroll down. Yes, scroll down. Yes, scroll. Just wait. Please zoom it so that we can see what actually this amount is. Yes, scroll up. This is around $31,337. It is around more than 21 lakh rupees for single one bug. If you are going to hack into the Google with your, you can say, remote code execution, if you are finding number of the bugs, so then you will be directly getting these much of the amount, right? So it is like if you are working, if you are learning ethical hacking skills, you can get, very good amount of money. Getting back to the session, and we will be seeing that, yes, this is the big difference in the market about bug bounty versus salary, right? Right now, please let me remind you this thing, that your attendance is mandatory. You need to fill the attendance form, which will be given after 45 minutes, because you need to be here for 40 to 45, more than 45 minutes, so that you will be getting a certificate from Rooman Technologies. And as you already know, Rooman Technologies is also with your NESCOM, Skill India, partner with all of these big, you can say, organizations. Yes, and it will make a very good career inside. You will be having a good CV with all of these certificates. Fine. Next, we will talk about the information gathering. Yes, how many of you know about the information gathering? So okay, so I will ask you a question. Let us suppose now you are a hacker. Think like you are a hacker now. So if I want to gather the information, what type of information I want to gather? Yes, comment me down. What type of information? Okay, I will give you one hint. That will be the name. Very simple. I want to get the person name, victim names. I gave this hint. Now tell me what type of information. I want to see that you are interested or not. You are typing yes. Okay, someone are saying yes, very nice. Okay, like next is your next hint. That is your phone number, right? Phone number. I will be getting phone number. Next hint, social media accounts, right? You will be, if I want to target one person, he will be having a name like Gaurav Sharma. He will be having a number 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not my number, obviously, right? My social media account, you will be getting it. Social media accounts, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Instagram, all the social media accounts you need to follow, you need to search. Next, what you need to search? The address, where actually we are from. We are right now live from Bangalore, right? So you need to search all these type of, these are under your information gathering. So when you are gathering information, all of these knowledge comes into the picture. right? Next, we talk about the information gathering using online platforms. Okay, so how many of you are, okay to right now do the practical with me? Yes, type yes in the comment. If you want to do practical with me right now, right here, I will be doing practical from Bengaluru. You from your home. Yes, if you are working on your laptop, don't cut down your, you can say, the meeting, just be there, right? So first thing what I will be taking is who is domaintool.com. This is the link. You can go into the next tab and you can visit this link. I am right now also visiting into this screen. Coming back to the screen, yes. As you can see over here, who is lookup? If you can please zoom it for me so that we can see it very clearly. Yes. Yeah, fine. So let us suppose I want to get information about any of a company. I want to get the information about google.com. Google.com is also a very big company. So I will be typing google.com. I will be searching over here. Yes, search. And yes, I am not a robot, right? We are not a robot. And we will be clicking into the go. And yes, there will be, please zoom it a little more. Yeah. Yes, fine. Now it's visible. Yes. Who will be the, you can say it is USA register and your Mark monitor will included, Mark Zuckerberg and all. Registrar will be there. Registration status will be there. Your dates will be there, right? When it is created, around 1997, it was created. And till expiry date is 2028. They updated in 2019 itself, last year, right? They are the servers they are working on, all of the information, right? I told you all of the internet information, right? Next, come about, we will be having the IP addresses, we will be having the California is the IP location and all the history, then the website title, Google, all of the information that is visible publicly. We didn't hack into any of the information that is visible publicly. That's the networking they have done, right? So as you can do next, yes, how many of you are doing it? See, please type done if you are doing it, or if you will do later, then tell me. Next practical what we are going to have. Next we will be having a DNS dumpster. The same thing we will be doing over here, but now I will get more information about the target. Coming back to the working screen. Wow, very nice. How many of you are doing it? Please type yes. Raise your hands. When we were having offline batches, so you can raise hand now. You just need to click, right? So fine. More zoom. Yeah. Fine. So I will be typing the same thing, google.com. That's all the information available over the internet. That's the information gathering. You are gathering all of the information. You want the IP addresses. Yes, as you can see over here, please wait. As you can see over here, all of the databases are stored here only. There are a number of these. As you can see, the database, right? You're this thing. If you can scroll down, you can see the DNS servers. Scroll down. Yes, scroll down. Yes, you can see the DNS servers. You will be there, and if you can see you can say all the website, your you can say main website and the sub website will be there, and all sub web pages, right? All of this, and there will be the map also. If you can just scroll down in the end, there are a number of the data available. You just need to go and check. There will be the site map, as you can see over here. All these site maps are here. Please scroll up. Yeah, if you can zoom it, you can see all of this thing, that what actually it is, what type of, and they are having the IP address also. If you can't see it, no problem. Might be possible you cannot see it over here, right? You can work inside your system, right? You can directly search what we searched, right? Next, what we are going to have. Coming back to the session, and we will see what we are having. Now, we will come under this point, that what is Google hacking? How many of you want to do Google hacking? Not Google we need to hack. With the Google, what type of information we are going to have? That is called as Google Doc. Google Docking. What type of a Google Docking? We will see it, that how we can get live camera access. Let's tell me how many of you want to see that how to access live camera. Yes. Please type yes so that I can continue. We will take 2 minutes of break and then we will continue. Just think that how we are going to see the live camera access. Welcome back, live again. How many of you want right now? I think so. Still, you are want to say want to see that how we can have these live camera access. Fine. So directly going into the screen where we can find it. Yes, this is the exploit database. Again, Google, bhaiya, right? So that is Google hacking database. What we are going to do here, as you can see, number of the things. Exploit, I think so. If you have attended, how many of you attended the day one? Yes, type day one in the comment. If you have attended the day one, right? So I talked about this thing. If you don't, please type yes, so that I can tell you, yes, fine. So please remember, you will be having link right now in the, you can say the chat. Please fill that. Please fill that, because we will be having all 3 days data and we will be having how much time you have devoted, and then we are going to give you this certificate, right? Because if you don't know anything about what we are talking about, then what's the use of certificate? Please fill that form. You will just need 1 minute to fill that form, attendee form. Yes, fine. If you have done that, please type done. Please type done if you have done that. Fine, I think so, right? Number of the you can say students are saying yes, done. Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Now this is your Google hacking database. We have a number of the Google Docs. This is called as the Google Docs. If you can scroll up down, there are number of the pages, as you can see over here. Next, next, next. So there are number of the pages. We will search one to see the webcams open all over the world. So we will go over there and we will type webcam. Webcam. Yes, webcam will be there, and entering, and we will see that what type of data. Yes, we are getting number of the webcams. That's the Google docking. I will select one of these randomly. There is a Google Doc or description, and we will be going into the Google search, clicking into this, and we will land up. This is just a Google search, right? And we will end up in one of these. We will be opening, right? Let us suppose we chose this. Okay, fine. I think so. We got one of the camera, which is live. Which is live. As you can see over here, this camera angle is like this. Now we can change from here. So please click 1 or 2, 3 times to this side so that it will go like this. Not this side, not this side, this side. The left hand side. Left hand side. You can press 5 times, because might be possible this will be there in Africa, might be possible this will be there in the different, you can say, country. So it will take time, internet to do and to make that camera work like this, right? So before, when it will be working, we can change from here the camera angle. This is the camera from somebody's house. We don't know, the cars are already parked, right? We can check over there. Yeah, again, different source we will selecting. Different source, yes, the zoom view, yeah, it will zoom. So you can also access this thing, right? So if you can just please zoom out. So the camera has been revolved, right? camera has been revolved. So these all are the IP address. If you can just go behind, I will tell you that how it is possible. Yes, just back, go back to the Google search. Go back to the Google search. Not this one only. Webcam back. Yeah. Click onto this. Again, click onto this. Yeah. Fine. Again, go into this search. Same search. Now, yes. Wait. As you can see over here, this is the IP address. Wait. Scroll down. Scroll down. Not up. This is the IP address. As you can see over here. This is the IP address. We are having, they have publicly this IP address is publicly available and can accessed by anyone in all over the internet. You need to make it private, or if they need to have the password over there so that nobody can see that. So that's actually how it is possible. If you can say that the IP address is with anyone, they can access it. Next, we will be going into the session, and what all we are going to do over here, we are going to do the Google hacking, as actually we did Google hacking, not Google hacking. Google hacking database we traverse. How many of you like it? Please type like in the comment so that we can see that yes, you are interested in this type of workshops. Yes, type like. Yes. Okay, fine. Next, we will go next. What is live location of any person? This was not happened in, you can say, live. We are doing it live with all of you guys. How many of you are ready to tell me your location? How many of you? Type Roman in the comment. Type Roman in the comment to perform this practical. Yes, I want you to be very excited and to know about how we are going to do it. Yes, many of you are saying it. Yes, so we will do it right now in front of you. We will do it. Going into the screen where we are going to do the practical. Yes. Okay, fine. As you can see over here, we have one of the website. It's also available publicly. We didn't do anything. So let us suppose I want you to come into my page, my workshop page. That is this workshop. Okay, wait a second. Just be there. Just scroll up. Scroll up. How many of you have scrolled down? How many of you have seen that video? Yes. If you have not seen, please go and check our video, right? We just click over the URL and just copy that URL so that you will also land up into this page. We will paste over here so that what actually right now I want to do, I will be the hacker and you will be the playing as a victim. How many of you want to play as a victim? Type victim in the comment. You will be a victim. I will be the hacker. I am creating this link. Wait a second. Okay. So yes, this will be coming when you are going to click onto this shorten. What actually happened is, this is the website that our Roman website. We, copied that link. We paste that link over there. Now we are going to shorten that link so that we can get something from it. So we will be hitting agree and press next. When you are going to do it, this window will come over for you. Please zoom it for me. Yeah. Please zoom it for me. Yes. As you can see over here, this is the link to see that. Yes, this is the link. Now what we are going to see, as you can see, if you are going to send this link to anybody, they will be getting know that this is the IP logger. This is, something different. Okay. So we will do something different. We will be using this one. Yeah. So we will be using any other platform so that you can say IP logger will not be visible. Yeah, fine. So we are having an IP or not IP, that is the link. We will copy that link from there. Yes. And now we will be giving you the link into the comments. I will give this link to you in the comment. If you can see in the comment. Yes. Send 1 or 2 or 3 times so that everyone will be having a link. Please click into the link so that I can tell you where you are right now. Yes. Yes, please, guys, click onto that link. And if you are landing into our page, please let me know. So type Roman if you are landing up into my page. Yes, please see that. If you are landing it to our page, please see. Now, I think so. How many of you did? Please type Roman in the comment. Yes, many of you did. Okay, fine. So what I will be right now doing is, if you are yes, again, same thing. You will be coming into the same page. Nothing, we did nothing with your system and all, right? Now, what I will be doing is, I will be going here. As you can see, there are number of the IP addresses. Yes, I'm getting all your location. Okay, so how many of you are using Android? Okay, everyone is with your Android. Nobody is using laptop. Like one of you is using Linux. Wait a second. Just scroll down. Yes, scroll down. One of the buddy is using Linux. Yes, please tell me in the comment who is using Linux. Very fine. Next, Android, Windows. Somebody is using Windows. Yes, okay. We are having a location. We are having the Android and the Google Chrome and the whatever the browser you are using, right? And the India location and the IP. And now, if I'm having your public IP, come over here, scroll up. If I will be knowing your IP, I can get your location very easily, right? So next, in the session, what we are having, coming back to the session, live location from any person, right? So we did that. Next, you can also go, you can check the IP and you can convert this IP and check whatever the latitude and the longitude, right? Next, we will talk about the UCAN location, right? We talked about it, right? I think so. You enjoyed this session. How many of you enjoyed this session? Please let me know. How many of you enjoyed this session? Type enjoyed. I think so. So now we will be having a Q&A session. That will be the question and answer. So if you are having any question, I will be having a phone over here live right now, right? So I will be reading your questions and I will be giving the answer to it. Just be little. And how many of you guys registered for that attendees list? How many of you are, you can say, saying that, yes, sir, interesting job. Okay. So we will be having your all the comments. Okay. So links needed, which type of a links, how to track stolen mobile. As I already told you, if you're going to, you can say track the stolen mobile, you just need, if your internet is on, this trick will work. If your internet is on, that will be your public IP. If the net or you can internet is not on, then you need to go with the EMI, as all of the buddies are doing. I want to learn more dark website. Please learn from us. We are here to make you, guide you that what you can do in this field. Okay, so sir, I didn't understand the last topic. Last topic is very simple. We had, or you can say we got your location. You want to see again? Directly we are going into the screen and we will be checking that what type of a IP we got in the last. Please tell how to do movie in a single click. Okay, how many of you are here to see that? Okay, so this person is in the last class also, because yesterday I told I will be telling you how to download movie in the single click. Yes, I will be doing it. Please be wait. Finding location link, please. We have already, we have live. We cannot learn anything in these phase. Yes, you are learning. Which is the website to see live location? This is, we are already doing. Yes. Thanks, Roman, for organizing. Thank you very much. Any other question? How can we enroll into the Roman ethics hacking class? As we have, you are already land up into the website, right? Please find it there. And we yet have a last day, third day, where we are not going to do information gathering, right? In a third day, we will be having directly a Linux. If you are a guy, you want to learn ethical hacking, if you are already, you have already started this thing, please guys, download a Linux, because tomorrow we will be doing Linux practicals also. All links needed, you are okay. Recording links, lecture link, yes, you will be getting it. Sir, I am present. Where is the attendance page? Attendance page is in the, you can say message, you can see. Okay. Okay, fine. There are number of the messages are coming down. Does Roman provide offline coaching? Yes. I want to do certification from you, sir. Okay, no problem. Please explain domain tool once again. Domain tool, it is just, I told you, right? There will be the one of the page. Yes, go into the, yeah. So that will be the who is record. You will be having all of the information, whatever the input you are going to give. And yes, this is not hacking. This is the public, you can say the information what you are having. Yes. Mariana's web, more dangerous, sir. Exactly. I told you, you will not find number of the things into, even though in your YouTubes. Guys, I'm telling you this thing. This is my advice right now. I'm telling you. You know, I was also that type of a person who was not having a mentor, who was not having a structured knowledge. But right now, I'm telling you, if you can, you say that, sir, we can learn from the YouTube and any other platform. I'm saying no to you. Why? Because YouTube, I am not saying everything, right? I'm just saying about number of the, you can say the platform where they learn from yesterday and then they are doing it, you know, next day. So please, how to find live location? Okay, I already told it to you. How to find domain IP addresses? As you can see over here, just please scroll down. Just please scroll down. Yes, as you can up, scroll up. Yes, this we are having IP up. Yeah, IP location, IP addresses. How to get slow in mobile? Already told you. Can we hack Android mobile phone without installing apps? Yes, there are number of the tools. If you are having number of the vulnerabilities, it is not just a hacking. It is you are breaking into the software or a hardware, right? Fine. I think so. This is up for this day too. I think so. You have enjoyed. In the last, I will just, you can say, log out with this thing. If you have, very, you, okay, sir, please send me the last topic link. Okay, we are already giving you the links and all. Yes, you will be getting all the links with your email IDs. Please be with all your IDs. Okay, so if you have enjoyed this session, last syntax for my classes are haha, bye-bye, sir. Haha, length will be like, you know, you just need to say the interest you are having, or you can say how excited the workshop was. Ha 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 will be the length that you will be telling it to me, and bye-bye, sir will be the last. Yeah, many of you are saying haha, bye-bye, sir. Okay, yes, we forgot movies download. Go into the movies and we will tell you how to download movies into one single click. We are having this link. We will paste it for you. This is one of the, you can say, Google Doc we have created to find movies all over the internet. There are a number of the person are saying haha, bye-bye, sir. Wait, how many of you want to see how to download a movie? Okay, we will do it. We will just paste it for you in the comment. First of all, see the input. Fine. So we will be here. I will type, like, you know, I am very fond of Avengers. How many of you love Avengers? Okay, so fine. As you can see over here, don't go this thing. Index of. If you are finding these type of links, index of, please visit into this site. As you can see, please zoom it for me. Zoom it for me. Zoom it for me. Yeah, fine. Ant-Man, Aquaman, Avengers, every, you can say, Marvel's movies will be there for us, your single click. Yes. So I think so. I have given you the who created a virus for Linux. You know, there are a number of the ethical hackers and even hackers. There is only this, that is not the virus is created. It is like you are in the tools, you are making tools, you are having a different type of tools and all. And please share this link into the comments. I think so. We have shared it. Please copy it from there as soon as we end up this meet. I will pass class 12 next year. Can I join your coaching? Absolutely, because you know it is very obvious if you are going to start from your 12th, if you are learning from small things like all these tricks. If you are knowing into these tricks, getting all the information, you will end up yourself. You will be saying in 1 or 2 years, you will be the person you are, you know, into the hacking or hacking community. Fine. Okay, fine. We have already typed. I think so. We did. Or how many of you are ready to come tomorrow? Fine. Yes. internships, please visit to our site and please send us so that we can have a very good mind into our company. Okay, so that's fine for today. We will meet into day 3. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming. And tomorrow we will do also many more things. As I told you, we will be hacking into one screen from the one system into the another system. Fine. Bye-bye. Take care.